In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group call on Microsoft Teams for Windows. Whether you're connecting with your team for a quick update or hosting a virtual meeting with multiple colleagues, mastering group calls in Microsoft Teams is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with everything you need to make seamless group calls in no time. First, ensure that you have Microsoft Teams installed on your Windows device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can easily obtain it from the Microsoft website and follow the installation prompts. Launch the application and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials, making sure you're connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Teams dashboard, featuring several options on the left-hand side. Look for the chat icon, which resembles a speech bubble, and click on it to view your recent chats or start a new one. If you want to initiate a group call with people you've already been talking to, simply select that conversation from your chat history. For a new group, click on the new chat icon, usually located near the top left, which might appear as a pencil or a similar icon. In the To field at the top, enter the names or email addresses of the people you wish to include in the call. Microsoft Teams will help you by offering suggestions as soon as you start typing. Once you've added everyone, hit Enter to create this group chat. With the chat window open, look towards the upper right corner for the video call and audio call buttons. These buttons usually have little camera and phone icons, respectively. Decide if your group call will be video or audio only, and click the appropriate icon to start the call. After clicking, Teams will begin ringing each participant. This may take a few moments, so be patient. On their end, they'll see an incoming call notification and can join by simply clicking Accept. Once everyone has joined, you'll all be connected in a unified group call. During the call, you can use various features in Teams to enhance your conversation. You can share your screen if you need to present something, or you can utilize the chat function to send messages without interrupting the verbal discussion. Adjusting individual microphones and cameras is also straightforward. You can mute or unmute yourself using the controls at the bottom of the call window for smooth communication. When your call wraps up, simply click the red phone icon to hang up and end the session. Remember, practicing these steps will help you become more comfortable and efficient when using Microsoft Teams for group calls. Thanks for tuning in, and happy calling!